5G wireless crash course, Tonex training. Price, $3,999. Length, 4 days. Join Tonex upcoming seminars on 5G wireless. When, from February 11, 2019, 10 a.m. to February 14, 2019, 5 p.m. Where, 2615 Elm Hill Pike, Nashville, Tennessee 37214, USA. 5G wireless crash course covers all aspects of 5G wireless vision, concepts, application, use cases, technologies and standards. Attend Tonex 5G wireless crash course and learn about 5G evolutionary and revolutionary topics. Technology AZ. Explore the amazing 5G topics collection here, with new topics added constantly to broaden the reaches of the 5G crash course experience. This 5G crash course sets you on the right track to developing a set of 5G skills that can help you to deliver results. Learn about E2T's IMT202 5G requirements and 3GPP system standards heading into the 5G era, including critical communication and public safety, enhancements for direct device-to-device (D2D) communications, Tetra/P.25 like functionality for broadband data, group communications, machine-type communications, 5G NR and radio optimizations to allow for lower cost, system-level awareness of M2M devices, device power consumption optimizations, mechanisms for optimized handling of small amounts of data, system capacity and robustness, access network discovery and selection function, ANSF, enhancing the level of automation, decoupling software functions from the resources. Topics included: overview of 5G, 5G application and use cases, 3GPP LTE and LTE Pro evolution into the 5G, LTE/LTE advanced introduction, 5G wireless requirements, applications, and services, 5G integration with 802.11ax, 802.11a and 802.11as, 5G technology enablers, 5G security. Request more information. Visit Tonex training website www.tonex.com.